If you have an LS engine equipped with a Sniper EFI Fabricated Race Series manifold, then you already have a great power plant. If you're looking to step up that game with nitrous, then look to the NOS Dry Nitrous Plate for Sniper EFI Fabricated Race Series manifolds. It makes adding extra power a breeze and is a great start to building even more power in the future. The plate is machined from 6061 T6 aluminum and is offered with a clear or black anodized finish. It's even laser engraved with the NOS logo, so everyone will know you're running the real deal. The nitrous plate features 8 machine distribution orifices designed to spray along the center axis for excellent distribution. There's no need to worry about spray bars spinning or breaking. The plate comes equipped with jetting for up to 250 horsepower in 50 horsepower increments and is capable of supporting 1,000 horsepower using separately purchased jets. The NOS Dry Nitrous Plate for Sniper EFI Fabricated intake manifolds include the gasket, hardware, jet holders, and jets. Thanks for watching. You can find this and many more high-quality parts to build your Sniper EFI-based nitrous system over at nosnitrous.com.